a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing very heavy rain across central Cook County, especially the immediate north side of Chicago. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen, and another inch to an inch and a half could fall through 2:30 a.m. before the rain ends. Flash flooding is likely, and law enforcement has reported flooding beginning. Some locations that will experience flooding include Chicago, Lakeshore Drive, Evanston, Skokie, Oak Park, Maywood, Franklin Park, River Forest, Harwood Heights, Lincoln Park, Melrose Park, Norwich, Schiller Park, Lakeview, Rogers Park, Logan Square, Elmwood Park, Lincolnwood, and River Grove. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. This is NOAA Weather Radio.